Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my video update on the markets. Today's Thursday, August 9th, 2012. Three things we'll talk about today are the economy, the markets, and the accounts. First off, looking at the economy. Last week we got our jobs number, and in July we added 176,000 jobs. That's still lower than we need, but it's positive, and it's very positive considering the last 3 months have been lowered. So we are, it looks like we are rising again, and that is a very good thing. The market obviously likes that. The S&P 500 is back at above 1400. Well, actually, we were a few minutes ago, but the euro reversed today lower, and the market has traded so close with the euro this year, and we're seeing it again today. Moving forward, though, I do think the market's going to continue higher, and I have three reasons for that. Number one, the 10-year bond, the yield on the 10-year is starting to go up. That's a sign that investors are willing to accept more risk. And this next thing we're going to see is, and I've talked about this before, is small cap versus large cap stocks. In the last quarter, we've seen large cap stocks lead small caps. That's not a very good positive sign moving forward. Now we're starting to see that reverse. Small caps leading the way. That's what we need to bring the market higher, and we're starting to see that. And then finally, seasonality. The worst months of the market are May through September. Well, before you know it, we're going to be out of September, and I do think the market is going to advance on that. The only headwinds we have are China and Europe, but I do think they are working together to get a plan in Europe. And China, if their economy keeps slowing, they're going to add stimulus, and stimulus is going to be very good for their stock markets and for commodities. Those are the last two positions we've added to the portfolio this month. Finally, moving forward, I just want to talk about technology. The technology sector always has its best months the last 3 months of the year. We're going to be adding to technology in the next few weeks. We did this last year, and we had some nice returns, and I totally expect to do it again. So you will see that addition to your portfolio between now and probably September 1st. Finally, the last thing I want to add is you're all going to be receiving a letter from me in the mail, and it has to do with estate planning. Please make sure you read it, and let me know if you want to take me up on the offer there, because I work closely with an estate planning attorney who would be happy to help you out as a service as a service that we add at the firm. So with that, please feel free to call me with any questions. Thank you very much for tuning in, and like always, thanks so much for being my client. Have a great day.